Fabric scraps. We all have them. What are your favorite things to make with your fabric scraps? Look, these are mine. I have saved all of these. You know why these are so special? Because I actually designed fabric. I designed 2 different fabric collections for Riley Blake Designs. I will tag their account in the description below so you can see a couple of tutorials that I did when I went to visit their studios. I'll have a video on that later. I'm just gonna sew all of these pieces together to make new fabric. And then from there, I don't know, make something else, maybe a purse or coin purses or zipper pouches, who knows? All right, let's do this. Take all your fabric scraps and sort them out according to size. They don't have to be perfect, just keep them in the general square, rectangle, strip sections. And then you're going to start piecing them together. This I thought was a super fun part. So you're going to take them piece by piece and build grids. As you put each grid together, set it aside until you have a stack of them, and then start sewing them just piece by piece so you end up with a variety of these different squares, rectangles that have different patterns. Now notice that I sewed them all evenly as possible. You do 2 even sides and then you can sew a longer one on the other side so that it's easy for you to connect them all. After that, give them a good press and go through each square that you created and trim off any excess. You want them all to have nice straight lines. So when you sew all of these pieces together, it will go nice and smoothly. So the same concept here, you now have these other squares, grids that you have built, and go ahead and audition them out of how you want your fabric to look. So mix and match the different colors and the patterns. I went non-directional, so I did not pay attention to whether if the lettering was upside down or not. I just wanted it to be where any way you look at it, it would look good. And I like this, so I just started sewing it all together. And at the end, you're going to end up with one big panel that is super fabulous. It's going to have all of your different fabric pieces in there, and then you could decide what to do with it. I knew exactly what I wanted to make with this, so you're going to have to check back for my second video so I can show you what to make that I did with this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram, and check out craftychica.com. Thanks guys, happy crafting!